UPS turned in a strong quarter, earnings jumped, and guidance for the rest of the year was revised higher. Its international operations grew as well, and that helped send shares higher in trading today, which helped lift the entire transport sector. But as Morgan Brennan reports, its biggest market could be cause for concern.
Today, delivery giant UPS delivered an earnings beat. Revenue came in weaker than expected thanks to currency exchange and lower fuel surcharges to customers. But the company did reiterate its full-year outlook, saying it expects to come in at the higher end of its earnings guidance on strong international growth in Europe. But UPS is also largely viewed as a barometer of economic growth. And CEO David Abney said the company has seen a slight slowdown in its biggest market.
We're seeing some mixed signals in the U.S. economy. I think part of it is the U.S. dollar, the strength. Part of it could be worried about what the Fed may or may not be doing in the next coming few months. But there is a little bit of a slowing. We've even seen the pace of B2C, while it's still growing pretty rapidly, not growing quite at the pace that it was.
B2C meaning business to consumer shipments, or e-commerce. On the earnings call, Abney and his team saying e-commerce deliveries grew at a slower pace last quarter. But higher prices and volumes did push profitability in the international segment to a record high. And analysts say that and a lower fuel bill boosted the bottom line.
One of the other things benefiting the profitability here was, of course, the lower cost of fuel. We saw their yields come down because fuel surcharges came off, but the cost of fuel for them dropped every bit as much, maybe even more, and that helped earnings as well.
Still, despite the solid results, analysts are waiting to see how UPS performs during peak holiday season after two disappointing fourth quarters in a row. The company is taking a variety of steps to prepare, rolling out peak pricing initiatives with some retail customers, deploying hundreds of access points where consumers can pick up their packages, and continuing to upgrade and automate the shipping network. For a Nightly Business Report, I'm Morgan Brennan.